The 3-day Zonal Youth Convention of the Shillong Archdiocesan Catholic Youth Movement, Zone 2, concluded on Sunday at the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Laitumkhrah. Over 1,000 youth delegates from 5 parishes, Nong Thamai, Laitumkhrah, Laban, Upper Shillong and Mount Yangla took part in the convention, which focused on moral formation, catechism and leadership development. The final day began with a Holy Mass celebrated by Zonal Youth Director Father Rister Malyang, followed by felicitation of youths who excelled in academics and sports. Addressing the valedictory program, SACYM Pastoral Secretary Dameli Masar encouraged young people to keep Christ at the center of their lives, stating that true hope and strength come from faith rather than worldly attractions.
Gidei banyo jing hikai na kabenden ban em ya kabenta bat ban kerben ya kalashai. Gom kisama ki ba em na gani ga jung babenta gidam da shibon ba ki jingale ki jing penchoy. Henry na da mangi ni Jan Shaw Chris na da mangi ni Don Yao Jisu pomo pedengdo ka jingem ka jogi klempep yin sa job. Ringkat ka jingkashan ka jogu da ka jing kerben. Na shiti Paulus sa Roman ka nong kabasan ka phat kabasan ka ka jinkerman ka no pen babi para sa labaro habay pa siya gali perkai shibon ba ki ake ba persyang ban penbernya ben sasti yi Henry na da mengi ni shem bala da mengi ni len shau Jisu ubalong ka jinkerman ni indom babi dame le ruem.
Earlier, during the inaugural session, Archbishop of Shillong Victor Lingdok urged the youth to remain rooted in faith, prayer and service. The convention concluded with renewed commitment among the youth to live Christ-centered lives and serve as messenger of hope in society.